You're 18. You're broke, and you've been told that investing is something you do later, after college, after debt, after figuring it out. But here's the truth no one told you. If you wait, you lose. 1. The myth of too little, too early. Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing. What they don't realize is the less money you have, the more you need to start now. Example, investing just $50 a month from age 18 to 30 gives you more by retirement than starting with $300 a month at age 30. That's the power of time, not size. Wait, did I just say you could be a millionaire off $50 a month? Yep, let that sink in. Every month you wait is a dollar you're giving away to future stress. 2. Fear of missing out versus fear of not starting. Gen Z scrolls past success every day. Crypto bros, YouTubers, influencers talking ROI, and that creates a false pressure to invest perfectly. Truth bomb. The only real mistake is not starting. You don't want to be the 28-year-old looking back saying, damn, I could have started with just $5. Let's be real. If you can drop $6 on a latte with oat milk, you can invest $5 in your future self. 3. What you're actually investing in. You're not just buying stocks. You're buying time freedom. You're buying options. You're buying peace of mind. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to start investing even if you only have $20 to your name. 4. Getting started with fractional shares. You don't need to buy a $400 Amazon stock. Platforms like Fidelity, Robinhood, and Cash App let you buy slices of stocks. Own $5 of Apple, $10 of Tesla. That's all it takes. You'll be holding the same stock as Warren Buffett. No gatekeeper. Still think investing is for old guys in suits? You're wearing pajama pants, and you just became a shareholder. 5. Index fund, the lazy genius strategy. An index fund is like buying a basket with the entire market inside. S&P 500, total market ETFs, low risk, low cost, solid return. It's like ordering the sampler platter at a restaurant. You get a little of everything, and you always leave full. You don't need to be a stock-picking wizard. Just be consistent. Be boring. Boring gets rich. 6. Before you invest, build a safety net. What happens if your tire blows, your laptop dies, or you lose your job? If you're investing without an emergency fund, you'll end up pulling money out right when the market's down. Rule: $1,000 mini fund first, then 3 months expenses, then investing. Because the moment you pull out of the market is the moment you lose years of progress. 7. Automate your wealth. You don't need discipline, you need systems. Setup: auto transfer $25 a week from checking to investing. Tool: use platforms that offer auto invest and recurring buys. It takes 10 minutes to set up and could fund your retirement. That's less time than you spent deciding what to watch on Netflix last night. 8. Retirement accounts. The Roth IRA is Gen Z's secret weapon. Tax-free growth for life. Invest after-tax dollars today. Pull out millions tax-free later. If you have a job, open a Roth IRA. If employer offers 401k match, never leave free money on the table. And what if I told you you could retire decades early just by maxing these out? More on that in the final act. 9. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. Being wealthy isn't about yachts and Lambos. It's about waking up and doing whatever you want with your time. You want to backpack across Europe, start your own brand, retire your parents? That's what this is about. Rich people don't get rich off vibes. They get rich off compound return and consistent investing. 10. Your biggest asset is not money, it's time. You're not behind, you're early, and that is your greatest advantage. Example: investing from 18 to 30 and then stopping equals more wealth than someone who starts at 30 and invests forever. If you wait 5 years to start, you'll need to invest 3 times more just to catch up. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Start messy. Start small. But for the love of your future self, start now. Don't let your 30s be filled with regret. Let them be the decade where you watch your money work harder than you do. Comment, "I'm in," if you're ready to start building wealth today. Hit subscribe. We're just getting started. In the next video, I'll break down the exact investing app I use and why most people are picking the wrong one.